AT&T Fiber Internet explained. Today I'm going to show you how it works and why it's faster so you can quickly decide if switching will actually improve your online experience. If you've been dealing with buffering, lag, or slow uploads, understanding what makes AT&T Fiber different can help you choose a connection that finally keeps up with you. AT&T Fiber works by sending data through thin glass strands using light instead of electricity. Even if you're not familiar with how internet technology works, the idea is simple. Light travels faster and maintains its strength better. That means the connection can move large amounts of data without slowing down. Unlike older copper lines, where speed drops the farther the signal travels, fiber keeps the speed strong from the network all the way to your home. This is why streaming feels smoother, downloads finish quicker, and overall lag is noticeably lower. One of the biggest advantages you'll notice is the speed balance. With traditional internet plans, download speeds are fast but upload speeds are slow, which affects video calls, gaming, cloud backups, and sending files. AT&T Fiber offers symmetrical speeds, meaning uploads and downloads are nearly identical. For everyday use, this gives you cleaner video calls, faster file uploads, and more reliable performance even when multiple devices are active at once. It also reduces lag, giving you a more responsive feel when you browse, work, or play online. Consistency is another major reason fiber feels faster. You don't just get good speeds on paper, you get them during real use. Fiber lines don't suffer from the same electrical interference that affects copper or cable networks, so you're far less likely to experience sudden slowdowns during busy hours. If you live in a crowded area or a household with several active users, this stability becomes one of the biggest upgrades. It helps prevent freezing videos, lag spikes, and slow browsing during peak times. Setting it up is straightforward. After AT&T installs the fiber line to your home, they connect it to a fiber gateway that combines the modem and router into one device. Place the gateway in an open area so the Wi-Fi spreads evenly throughout your home. From there, connecting your devices works exactly like any other Wi-Fi network. The difference is how much smoother everything feels once you're on fiber. Overall, AT&T Fiber gives you faster, more stable internet because the entire system is built for high-demand tasks like streaming, remote work, cloud storage, and gaming. If you're tired of slowdowns and want a connection that can actually keep up with your daily use, understanding how fiber works makes it much easier to decide whether this upgrade is right for you.